Hi, I'm Max Eberly, and I'm talking to you from Hard Times Billiards in Bellflower, California, and I'm going to show you how to rack the balls in billiards. So what you need is a rack